Okay, some customers, when they assemble the bike, they find that the cables look like they're routed a little awkwardly. In particular, we see some customers that assemble the bike so that the rear brake cable goes behind the fork and under the down tube like this. And where we really want it to run is in front of the head tube and then around the bike this way. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how we got into this situation and how to fix it. So it happened when the handlebar was installed. It was probably just installed in a way that tangled the cables, and it's really easy to fix. We just want to remove the handlebar from the stem. Okay, so this is the position with the cables tangled going behind the fork. And to fix it, we're just going to put the stem underneath the bike like this, spin the fork 360 degrees, and get it into this configuration here. So this is correct. The rear brake cable is running in front of the bicycle and to the left side of the bicycle, and the front brake cable goes straight down. And once you get here, you can tighten put the faceplate on the stem and tighten the bolts, and you're good to go.